Pero hindi naman pala siya dapat pala ang magbibigay ng grade ko, which is may iba dapat na teacher. Ganon. So, I was thinking, hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari, but I want to see your hair. Hair? Buhok? Bakit? Ano meron sa buhok ko? Wala, ito. Sobrang haba. Oh, yan. Bakit papariband mo ba ako? Ay, gusto mo makita eh. Paririband mo ba ako? Yan. I think there's a problem sa speaker ko. I don't know kung anong problem. Pero, yun nga, parang may problema yung speaker kasi medyo grounded siya. I don't know why, but ganon. Ba't ganon? Ba't naman ganon? Ala! Oh my God, what happened? By the way, hi guys. Good evening, people. Ikaw lamang ang tangi ko.
Simple lang ang gagawin, with even pasayan.
Make a move with Hosting Yourself. Bring your idea to life with Hostinger Horizons AI. You just need to describe it. Sign up for a 1-year plan and get up to 2 months for free.